Hey, Looney Bird, are you ready for the show?
I'll be out in a minute, Buttercup. I'm polishing my beak.
Looney Bird, you gotta get out here. Oh, hey, folks. Well, howdy, everybody. I'm Billy Bob, and I'm welcoming you to the Volo Museum, where today we're playing the greatest car songs of all time. Oh, when she got in daddy's car, she cruised to the hamburger stand now. Since she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now. And with the radio blasting, she's cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes a jeeping away. Fun, fun till her daddy takes a jeeping away. Fun, fun till her daddy takes a jeeping away. Fun, fun till her daddy takes a jeeping away. Fun, fun till her daddy takes a jeeping away. Better buckle up them seatbelts and get ready for the ride of your life.
Round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, I get I'm getting bugged driving up and down the same old strip. I gotta find a new place where the kids are hip.
Yeah, like Volo Museum.
Yeah, my buddies and me are getting real well known. Yeah, the bad guys know it, but they leave us alone. It's the little old lady from Pasadena. With the furry little guy with the white gardenia. She's gonna get a ticket now sooner or later, 'cause she can't keep her foot on the accelerator. Now everybody's saying that there's nobody meaner than the little old lady from Pasadena. She drives real hard and she drives real fast. She's the terror of Colorado Boulevard.
The 60s was a great decade for everybody loving their cars and their music. Now, there was one song about a car that was so popular that it made everybody want to go out and get one. Now, here's Fats going to sing about that great car, the 1965 Ford Mustang.
Mustang Sally. Yeah. I guess you better slow your Mustang down. You know you heard what I said. Oh, Mustang Sally. Woo. I guess you better slow your Mustang. Alright. You've been running all over town. Oh, I guess I have to put your flat feet on the ground. Yeah, I wanna see all you boogie woogie. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. Yeah, 'cause all you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. Lord, all you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. You wanna leave early morning, baby. Woo, gonna be wiping your weeping eyes. Let's take it home, guys.
Hey, Beach Bear, do you like Ford Mustangs?
Yeah, Bob, they're fine. They're okay.
Really? Well, what's better than a Ford Mustang?
How about the Chevrolet?
The Chevrolet?
Yeah, you know, a red Chevrolet.
Could you be more specific? at Beach Fair, there's lots of red Chevrolets.
Yeah, but how about a red Chevrolet Corvette?
Oh yeah, little red Corvette. Baby, you're much too fast. Little red Corvette. You need a love that's gonna last. I guess I should have closed my eyes when you drove me to the place where horses run free. Cause I felt a little ill when I saw the pictures of the jockeys that there before me. Believe it or not, I started to worry. I wondered if I had enough class. It was Saturday night, I guess that makes it alright. You said, baby, have you got enough gas? Oh yeah, little red Corvette. Baby, you're much too fast. Little red Corvette. You need a love that's gonna last.
Hey, Billy Bob, what do you say we stay in the 80s but change the colors from red to pink?
Sounds good to me, dude. Give us a beat. Give us a nice strong beat.
Well, you may think I'm foolish for the foolish things I do. You may wonder how come I love you when you get on my nerves like you do. Well, maybe you know you bug me. There ain't no secret about that. Well, come on over and hug me. Baby, I'll spill the bags. Well, honey, it ain't no money, 'cause I got plenty of that. I love you for your big Cadillac, crush velvet seats, riding in the back, cruising down the street, waving to the curb, feeling out of sight, spending all my money on a Saturday night. Honey, I just wonder what you do there in the back of your big Cadillac, big Cadillac.
Hey, Ro, when is a car not a car?
Oh, well, when it turns into a driveway. Here's a harder one. What has 4 wheels and flies?
4 wheels and flies?
That's right, 4 wheels and flies.
Here in my heart, I can see this from all. I can lock all my doors. It's the only way living in cars.
Oh, gosh, let's see.
Here in my heart, I can only receive. I can listen to you. It keeps me stable for nights in cars.
Oh, it's a garbage truck.
That's right, little Earl.
I don't get it.
Did you hear? Beach Bear was in an accident and his guitar was smashed to smithereens.
Here in my heart, where the image breaks down. Will you visit me, please? If I open my door in cars.
Beach Man's guitar got busted.
Yeah,
Here in my car, I know I'm starting to think about leaving tonight. Although nothing seems right in cars.
it was a fender bender. Get it?
You had me going on that one. Can I tell my frog joke?
Sure, what is it?
What do you say to a frog that needs a ride?
I don't know. What do you say to a frog that needs a ride?
Hop in.